Hey friends! Welcome back to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Here today with another good one for you. Did you know you can view documents associated with a listing from the agent report? There are two ways to see disclosures from the MLS. Start at the agent report. Go to the listing information and look next to Associated Docs. If there is a blue number there, you can click on it and see all attached documents to the listing. Here, you can look if the files are public or not. If they say yes, you can email the documents out. If it says no, you can only view and print the documents yourself. The second way is to look at the disclosure link under listing information. If there is a blue link, click it to be taken to the website the agent has used to attach documents. Just that easy. Now you know how to find any associated documents an agent has included with their listing. Thanks for watching and see you on the next Grab and Go video.